3 seconds left in the period. James trying to center the horn sounds, and boy, I almost couldn't keep up with all that. Unbelievable. Time runs out now. Bigelow took a swing at Obrey. At the whistle, and James is in there. On check by James, and Gibson got the stick up. It's sent around the far wing boards. Out at the right point, Amy. Shooting it again. It's wide, and Burt checks Amy. On the near side, Cote hit high by Gatos. Penalty coming up, and it's both of them. Cote trying to retaliate against Gatos, who came in with his fist up. There was not going to be a second penalty call, but Chepside was right there, and he did catch Cote retaliating. That he did for sure. Gatos came up looking for Ryan. It's checked hard by Bigelow, but Burton comes back 2 on net. Couldn't get the good shot away in the forehand. Now it's Pletz. Broken up by McCoo. Centers it to Herbst. He tucks it in, but Rhinus is right there. Brad starts right back. Cote and Bigelow got sticks up high. Here's Rhinus coming back. Brad brings it over the line. Nice dig. Shoots one on the snapshot. Blocked by Semenchuk. Steered around the boards. Pletz keeps it in. Mark in the corner to Burton. And now Cote and Bigelow have the gloves on. Bigelow throwing him out. 3 good rights. And now Cote drops him. Still's got his weight on Bigelow. The line's been coming in now. You almost knew that was going to happen. They were giving it to each other in the Richmond zone. And I was watching the play. I was waiting for Burton to give it back to Pletz and to give it go. When Cote and Bigelow had the gloves off. And it was Bigelow who looked like he landed 3 shots to the helmet of Cote. And then Cote landed on top of Bigelow. So there's no way to give the edge to anybody, I guess, in that one. So, Bigelow. The only way you could give an edge to Cote would be to say that Bigelow's got the worst reputation in terms of a battler. And still didn't lose to Alex Lawson. Took himself into the boards. Cote centering it out, but Semenchuk blocks that. Now Phillips knocking Cote down. The puck's the other way. And now Cote pushing back at Phillips. The crowd anticipating something. Alan Amy has the puck. On the left side to Bigelow. Breaking up. You can hear a slash from up here on Bigelow. Bigelow has been good tonight, like his stick side and every other part of it. He's played a great game.